Welcome to another episode of Cryotos Maintenance Management. I'm your host, Bruce, and today we're talking about a topic that's critical to every maintenance team: reducing production costs and material waste in 2025. With me is Alex, an expert in maintenance management and IoT. Alex, welcome.
Thanks, Bruce. Glad to be here.
So, Alex, let's dive right in. Production costs and material waste are always top of mind for maintenance teams. How can new technologies help us reduce both in 2025?
Great question. In 2025, the biggest change is predictive maintenance, powered by IoT and AI. By using sensors on critical machines, teams can monitor performance in real time. This allows them to predict failures before they happen, so maintenance can be performed only when necessary. This prevents unplanned downtime, reduces unnecessary repairs, and helps avoid the costs of replacing machinery too early.
That's really smart, acting before things break. What about material waste?
Material waste can be reduced with smart sensors as well. These sensors track production, monitor material usage, and help identify inefficiencies. If a machine is running poorly, it might cause inconsistent product quality or scrap material. With real-time data, you can make adjustments quickly to avoid waste and optimize the production process.
So IoT helps with both equipment maintenance and material waste reduction?
Exactly. Plus, combining IoT data with continuous improvement practices like Six Sigma or Kaizen allows teams to continually optimize processes. AI also plays a role here. After analyzing enough data, it can suggest ways to improve processes and reduce waste without sacrificing production quality.
It sounds like data is the key here. IoT gives you the information, AI analyzes it, and together they help optimize production. For teams wanting to implement these strategies, where should they start?
Start by integrating IoT sensors into your critical machinery. Use the data to predict when maintenance is needed, then analyze it for patterns that could optimize production and reduce waste. From there, continuously improve your process with AI insights.
Great advice, Alex. To sum up, by using IoT, AI, and continuous improvement practices, maintenance teams in 2025 can not only reduce costs, but also minimize waste, making operations more efficient overall.
Exactly, Bruce. Technology is a game changer for maintenance teams.
Thanks, Alex. And thank you to our listeners for tuning in to today's episode of Cryotos Maintenance Management. Don't forget to subscribe for more insights on maintenance trends. Until next time.